Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are reading the chapter number 6, School Days. Students, today's topic is related to vocabulary and the topic is suffixes. Here two suffixes are given in your book. One is IC, that means have the qualities of. Next one is ISH, have the qualities of, it means approximately or maximum. Dear students, a suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to make a new word. Suffixes are commonly used to show the part of speech of a word. Here we are adding the suffixes IC and ISH to form adjectives. For example, when we add IC at the end artist, it becomes a word artistic, and the artistic is a new word which is an adjective. Adjective describes quality of a noun. Here is another example of suffix ISH, that means approximately or maximum. Take the word style and by adding suffix ISH with it becomes stylish. Another word snob, that means a person who believes that their taste in a particular area or are superior to those of other people. It becomes snobbish after adding ISH with it and reaches to its approximately position. Dear students, let's clear the concept of suffixes with example. Here I wrote suffixes and two suffixes are given. As in your book, the one is IC and other one is ISH. By adding IC with artist, you can see it becomes artistic. And by adding IC after trag, it becomes tragic. We will remove the E by I. Next is ISH. By adding ISH after style, it becomes stylish. And with snob, when we add ISH, it becomes snobbish. Dear students, an activity is given in your book at the page 71. Fill in the blanks with the adjective in the table above. We have to take words from the above table and have to fill the blanks in given sentences. The first sentence is, the boarders thought that Maria was dash because she seldom joined in their activities. I told you earlier the meaning of snob. The boarders thought that the Maria was snobbish because she seldom joined in their activities. See the second sentence. The collapse of school building during a recent earthquake was a dash event that took away the lives of many people. Tragic. Next sentence. Chris is very dash. He makes beautiful paintings. Artistic. See the last sentence. Maria wore a very dash gown to her graduation ball. Stylish. Dear students, open the page number 30 of your workbook, English workbook of the chapter number 6, School Days. Activity A is add the suffix IC or ISH to form new words. We have to add ISH or IC to make new words. The first word is sheep. I will add ISH, suffix ISH to make a new word sheepish. Sheepish mean in Urdu शर्मीलेपन से और shyly. The second word is child and by adding ISH with it will be childish. Third one is photograph. I will add the suffix IC. It will become photographic. The fourth word is 40 and by adding ISH with it will become 40ish. 40ish means in Urdu you can say of 40 years or 40 साल का. In fifth word, majest, by adding IC with it, it will be majestic. Majestic means high in beauty or in some other quality. See the sixth word, pink, by adding ISH with it, it will be pinkish, gulabi. The seventh word is acrobat, and by adding IC with it, it will be acrobatic, bazigar. Eighth word is, and last word, fever, and by adding ISH with it, it will be feverish, having symptoms of fever. See the next activity B, fill in the blanks with adjectives you have formed above. We have to fill all these blanks from the adjectives that we formed above. The first sentence is, the director is looking for someone dash to play the role of Dorothy's father. The director is looking for someone, Fortiesh, to play the role of Dorothy's father. He needs someone who has age of 40 to play the role of Dorothy's father. See the next sentence too. The children looked dash when their mother asked them about the empty cake box. The children looked sheepish when their mother asked them about the empty cake box. Next sentence is, Peter has a dash memory. He can remember minute details of objects very well. Photographic. In fourth sentence you can see, the tea looks dash because it has rose extracts. The rose is of red color, so the tea looks pinkish. In fifth sentence, the castle looks dash and mysterious in the evening sun. The castle looks majestic, high in beauty. See the sixth sentence, stop acting dash. You know you have to pack your own school bag. Childish, bachgana. See the seventh sentence, Rosita could not go to school because she was feeling a little feverish. Feverish means, as I told you earlier, having the symptoms of fever. So Rosita could not go to school because she was feeling a little feverish. The gymnast can perform amazing acrobatic acts. Acrobatic means, I told you, bazigar. So in last sentence we will fill the blank with word or adjective acrobatic. The gymnast can perform amazing acrobatic acts. Dear students, you have to learn all the activities that you learned from Active English book and from your workbook.